So I'm gonna start my workout by taking a scoop and a half of this high nightmare. And when I say nightmare, it has nothing to do with Halloween. It's Halloween. I don't celebrate nothing, so I'm hitting the gym. Another day to me. Another day, another pump. You know what I'm saying? You know what'll cause the biggest scare jump? If you go down there and there's just hair bumps. Yo, bars. All jokes aside, I'm gonna start with the bench press, but first I'm gonna weigh myself to see how much I weigh in the gym. All right, of course, holding my phone, got clothes on, then ate already, then had some drink. All right, not that kind of drink. So I'm weighing 186, and I want to do at least 115 pounds more. But I put some weight on the other bench next to me, so people can come over here talking. You know, go lift on one of them benches. I don't get it, man. So I just got done with this workout, and I should catch my breath before I do this voiceover, but I really don't care how I sound. I want it to be raw and authentic, and I want to tell y'all my true feels of the workout. I don't want to have to take time in between and forget how I felt, you know what I'm saying? So I started with just the bar. Just the bar is 45 pounds. This is my warm-up, and a lot of times when I'm warming up, I do a lot of reps. I don't really count them. I just go by feel, and I do just the bar. And then I put a 45 on each side and do 135, and that's also a warm-up. And then I put a 25 on top of that. I'll show you what it looked like right here. All right, 45 on each side plus 45-pound bar, bunch of reps, 135 pounds warm-up, right? So a lot of times I do my warm-ups with a lot of reps just to, you know what I'm saying? A lot of power lifters, they really don't do that. Bodybuilder, that's more of a bodybuilder style thing. Some power lifters might do it, vice versa, whatever. But yeah, so I'm more of a power builder, all right? Natural. A lot of people, you ain't that big though. My stomach's starting to get big on a bulk. But I also have a slight arch in my back, so it's gonna also extend the gut, so make it look like it's bigger than it actually is. So I put I put a 25 on each side, which makes it 185. For a fact, that's how much I just weighed on the on the scale, 186. So this is pretty much 99 pounds above my gym body weight. This is over 100 pounds more than my actual body weight, but this is also a warm-up, but I'm gonna slow down on the reps. Doing less reps, right? With my body weight, I could probably get about 20 reps with this, but I'm not going to. Why? Because I want to go heavier. I want to get at least 300 pounds. And we're gonna keep on going, keep on watching to see if I got that 300 pounds. And if I got that 300 pounds, like and subscribe. And if I didn't get that 300 pounds, also like and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? So I went to 245, and I'm gonna do that for 3. I planned that to do it for 3 to see if I actually feel like I can go heavier. If 3 feels heavy, which I could do this probably for, I wouldn't say 10 reps. I could probably get it for 10 reps sloppily, but I want to get clean reps. I want it all the way to the chest, all the way up, but stay on the bench and not cheating, not squirming and forcefully have to struggle to get it up. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to do that. My top single, it don't matter, but I don't want to cheat either. 2, 3. Pause a little bit on the chest just to make sure. Bam, felt good. So that means go up, right? So I went straight to, I put a 25 on, which makes it 275. Then I said, nah. Put a 5 on, which makes it 280, because of course it's on both sides, all right? So do the math. I always tell people math-based fitness, do the math. This is also the day of the deadlift, because I'm gonna show y'all my deadlift after my bench, and I was trying to go at least 500 or more. And stay tuned to the end of the video to see my deadlift. The video ain't that long. So this is 280 pounds. I'm gonna do it for a single, and depends on how it feels. Do I go up to 300? And I went down. Come down, man. Hurry up. Bam. Kind of struggly, but it's not struggly enough to me for me to get scared to go up. So I went up, right? So I probably should have went to 290 or 295, but I went straight to 300. I went straight to 300. I put the 2.5s on there. I put the 10 on there. I put all that on there, right? That's 300 pounds right there. Bam, bam, bam. All right, so in the air, it looked like I did 3,000. I wish. It wouldn't even be no fun to do 3,000 pounds. Because, what would be the goal after that? You know what I'm saying? Like, would I be, like, made of hydraulics or something? On the Hulk, Thor or something? Yeah. Spider-Man, he's bony. But guess what? He's strong as, he could do, like, 8,000 pounds. I don't know. But let's see how this 300 moves, all right? I think it looked better than it felt. It was a little, it didn't cheat at all. It was slow, but it felt like way more. But it felt like I could have done another rep, but that wasn't in the, I would have felt that other rep though. So, you know what I'm saying? I went ahead and deadlift. No chalk, no nothing. What I did was I deadlifted, I warmed up and did all that off camera. No, not off camera. I did it on shorts, on my short video. So I got 495 plus 15 on each side. That's 525 pounds. 495 plus 30 pounds, right? And I failed both times. I'm a spoiler alert because I want to explain why. The time that I used that I'm lifting, I want to explain why I failed. I think I took too much time in between sets and I was getting distracted, and I'm not blaming other people because they got the right to be there. They didn't talk to me. They didn't bother me or nothing. But I get weirded out sometimes. I'd be looking at the corner of my eye and my focus ain't on there. Could have went up easy. All I had to do was stand up with it. And so I composed myself, listened to some music, and went for it again. Now, I was scared on the way walking up. And then right there, I'm getting my confidence back. But you might not be able to see it, but in my head, I'm way too aggressive. I'm coming in way too hot. And I just got lightheaded before I even picked the bar up. So I left it there. Left another day. 425 is not that heavy to me. It just wasn't there today, all right? So I started doing pull-ups, and I did the rest of my pull-ups on my short video. So this is the end of the video. Either watch these 2 videos or watch my short.